Does this scenario sound like an effective work environment? Numerous out-of-date spreadsheets, grease-stained and misplaced work orders, a smudged whiteboard that serves as a job and inventory tracking system? As a business leader, you need the facts, not fake news. Say hello to GRiD, a collaborative and cloud-based real-time software solution. GRiD is a simple, integrated inventory and operations management solution that teams use to manage their function within the corporate ecosystem. GRiD starts with a part number and is based on time. Individuals and global teams transact real-time data and coordinate their activities via guided workflows, while managers maintain high-level visibility and control. Each week, InFocus will highlight a new feature of our wholly owned GRiD software. Say hello to the new standard in product lifecycle management. GRiD software. Contact an InFocus representative for more information and say goodbye to fake news.